It's December 7th, 2011, um, about 1:42 p.m. Um, so looking at the euro, we actually fell off a cliff as expected, came into this hourly longer-term trend line, just tagged it barely and then bounced right off. So, it turned out that taking this trade last night would have been the most profitable trade. And just kind of to review, the reason for that um, was because of the move with the impulsive momentum. So up until I'd say this point, the impulsive move was to the upside, um, and then right after this, we had a significant breakdown in the structure here. Um, Came into support, pushed up, came back into supply, put in a reversal, and then we saw momentum to the downside accelerate. We continued all the way down until we came into that level of support. Now, I'm not saying that would have been the best trade. Perhaps the best trade would have been simply just to hold it to the first level of support, which was right here, and that trade by itself would have netted about 25 pips or so on a risk of about let's say 8 or 9. Um, so, anyways, looking at price action now, we had this move to the upside, um, and then this push below the trend line. But we were able to catch some support in this area with this support level and also the round number of 134. So as price came in here, we saw a potential reversal forming, and then on the 1 minute chart, we can go ahead and pull that up as well. That's right here. You can see that we did have some sort of structure here, and as price came into this resistance level, you can see on the 1 minute we just barely managed to break above that level right there. On the next candle, we were able to maintain it, so I entered along with a stop just below the start of this impulsive move. And as we came up and pulled back to retest this level, we saw some additional buying. I went ahead and adjusted my stop to this level. Again, the reason behind that is if somebody is buying up in this area, I want to be just behind that. So in the event that they do get blown out, I'm out with them or before them. So again, we had this move to the downside, and that did trigger my stop. And then obviously you can see we had a few bars of consolidation, and then a deeper move down, which essentially, put these guys underwater and forced them to puke their position. So that was a result of that. Again, continued break of this level here, um, would be enough to force anybody who's long through here to also peak their positions, and also it would indicate a continuation of this near-term trend that we have in place. So, what we're seeing right now is just this this larger pullback here, and then we're seeing a breakdown. We're seeing a retest of this supply level, and then we're seeing a continuation. So this by itself would be a legitimate trade where you would enter on the break here with a stop above the high, looking for further downside momentum. But anyways, thanks for watching, and we're going to see how this progresses, and we'll keep you guys up to date.